Hello again. It's Heather from Thrift To Flip. I really hated that. Hi, it's Heather from Thrift To Flip, and today I hit up the Goodwill bins again. I know that you have seen me talk about the bins. I go all the time because I live like right around the corner from them. And I have been really struggling with the bins lately. I don't know what is happening. I'm just struggling to find anything that I love. It's been even more crowded than usual, which is insane because it's always so busy. If you don't go right when it opens, you can't find any parking or a cart. This morning I went right when I was actually 3 minutes late. They open at 8. I got there at 8:03. I almost couldn't find a parking spot. When the new bin came out, there was like people right here, and it was crazy. So I went for about an hour. I did find a few cool pieces here that I wanted to share with you. Let's jump into the 6 pieces that I found. But plus size and swimsuits both have been flying out of my closet. If I had shelves, they would be literally flying off the shelves. So when I saw this piece today, I knew that I had to snag it instantly. It is Horrid, which always sells amazing for me. It's a size 4, which also always sells amazing for me. And it's a one-piece swimsuit, which always sell amazing for me. Once I get this precious thing listed, I think it will probably sell really fast. I would say probably within a day, maybe even faster. I'll be surprised if it doesn't sell faster than that. This was an amazing pickup for me today. I was super happy with this, and I think it will sell like lightning fast. So that's awesome. Then I happened across a pair of Hudson jeans. They have the classic signature flap back pocket. These ones do have a rolled hem, but that is not supposed to be rolled. They're fine. The hems are in great condition, but those have sold decently well for me thus far, so I'm happy to add those to my closet. Number 3 find of the day is this pair of AG jeans. They are the Stilt cigarette leg. They're like an ankle length, but these ones are a really soft material. They're gray, but they're like pretty stretchy. I think those are pretty cool actually. They are a size 29. So that's a nice size to add to the closet, and they're just kind of a charcoal gray color, which is great for any time really. Okay, this next piece is by a brand I had never heard of before, but the tag looked decent, so I went ahead and just took the risk and picked it up because it was such slim pickings this morning. The brand is called Easel. It looks like it's just a boutique kind of brand, and it hit me right in the lip gloss, so that's nice. Anyway, this piece is just kind of fun. It has like little ruffles around the sleeves, these big wide sleeves, and it looks like the comps on this are going to be about $30. So that's pretty good actually for something I got at the bins, and I think it's kind of fun and springy, and it looks like it's pretty oversized, so that's cute. All right, the next brand is one that I was really excited to find. I've heard of this brand from other resellers, but I've never personally found it before, and it just randomly happened to be sitting right on top of a pile, and that brand is Vince. I have found, Vince Camuto, but I've never found just Vince brand. I was really excited to find it, but I can't tell if this is a men's or a women's top, so I'm gonna have to do a little more investigating. It's a size large. I tend to think it's a women's top just because it seems kind of narrow, and it's almost like a tunic length. It's just got a long sleeve, and it's got a hood, and it seems almost like a thermal or like a Henley style thermal hooded top. I'm certain this is a women's top. Yeah, I'm really excited to find that and check out the comps on it because I think that's a great thing that I've never been able to add. Anytime I can find a brand that I've never found before, I get really excited. I'm just excited. It's like being a collector and adding something to your collection. The last piece I'm gonna share with you from this haul is this dress by ASOS. And it's got this like red-orange colored background with these beautiful flowers on it. I just thought ASOS is a good brand. I like to pick it up when I can. It sells for me decently well. Things don't fly off the shelves, but it is something that will move out of my closet. I think it's just kind of a fun, everyday kind of dress for somebody that I'm happy to add into my closet. So while today's haul was not necessarily amazing in terms of the quantity that I found, I still think that I found some really great pieces I'm excited to add into my closet. If you liked watching this video and checking out my haul, please give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, until next time, bye!